Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you a little upcycling hack brought around by my daughter making this for Christmas. It's a Christmas decoration, but she has upcycled a spaghetti can and a lid of something into a beautiful decoration. But I thought, let's make it into something we can use, and it doesn't have to be for Christmas, but it also inspired me. So I had these old Christmas balls. They're just plastic, so they're not fancy. And I thought that would be really cute for a stand for something. So, what about a bowl? So all you need, and the beautiful thing about this is that this bowl's not going to be ruined because, let's face it, hot glue comes off glass. And I probably should use more than that. But if you just push that on there, that's going to give you a really cute little serving bowl for lollies or salad. Do we have salad at Christmas? Yes, I love salad. So there's that one. Cake stand, fancy glass, and a plate that I really like. This is a melamine plate. Again, use the top of the glass, and I need another glue stick. So with higher things, you obviously want to do it a little bit more robust and make sure everything's centered, hence using the base of the glass. And actually I should do it this way so I can get it right in the middle there, and you can see that hot glue is starting to stick. Now hot glue does take a little while, so we'll leave that stick. But other ideas, I thought, get a cute little teacup and stick that on for like a little girl's or boy's cupcake party, because they don't drink tea. Again, get a Coke can, fill it with some rice or something heavy. Get the kids to decorate it. Put wraps around it, Christmas newspaper or Christmas papers, etc. And again, on the top with your plate stand, which is really cute. And you could even do layers. So hang on, let me just put that there. Now, let's hope it doesn't fall down. Let's hope it doesn't fall down because I'm going to use Mrs. Rogers. And if you take the lid off our medium grinders, you could actually fill them with, you know, sparkly things of some sort, and you've instantly got a cupcake stand. If you glue it all together, it should be fine. Cupcakes aren't heavy. So when you're doing all your Christmas baking, think of all the different things you can use. Around the house, I've got an empty candle, which is all gone. But again, you could turn that upside down, put something on that, and that's so beautiful, even for like your wreath for in the middle of the table. I've got a glass we made when in Fiji, we hand blew glasses, they're pretty cool. Again, do the same concept. So take anything around your house that you want, your child's artwork, and pop a plate on top. So yeah, think inventive this Christmas season by upcycling anything and everything you can. Look at that, now that's stuck, and let's test this one. Yay! Very fancy, and you can actually put in there nice little sparkles or something, some little balls, some tinsel for your Christmas. So anyway guys, get upcycling. That's got nothing to do with eating today. It's all with preparation as we eat with our eyes first. Anyway, see you later, bye.